Yeah, so let us start. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the session. Let us start. So, let me just try to. You already copied the project actually. Let me run this one directly. Copy, test. Online team, is my voice is clear? Yeah, yeah, it looks like this. Go back and get the template. Separate it. Good. I'm sure. What is the last step? What we done? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me just try to restart this kernel. Star indicates to backend it is running. Here star symbol indicates to backend that cell is being getting running. Okay. So here we are getting warning, right? We are getting what exactly? Warning. Now let me just try to delete this. Good. How to avoid this warning as I told you yesterday? Hide Jupyter warnings. You can check like this. My voice is clear, right? Yeah. Fine then. Sir, let me tell you, Stack Overflow is the best solution. So keep in mind that you have to trust and believe always Stack Overflow solutions only. Some other websites like a ChatGPT, some different websites, Kaggle. I mean, Kaggle it is okay. Kaggle is a kind of some complete end-to-end projects actually. Once we done this project, maybe weekly once or weekly twice, I will share one project with you and how to implement also I will explain. Clear, right? Yeah, good. Now you can just try to take these two lines. Kindly please observe this one. Hide all warnings in some IPython, Jupyter. These are all things. This question was asked by in the year of 12 years ago, actually, right? Even I didn't started my career. Yeah. So take these two lines, and you can just try to come here, add these two lines, and run this one. Now run this one. Good. Check d dot d types. Exactly. Yesterday, customer ID. Can somebody help me? Okay. Come again. Yeah. You're right. All right. Did you notice? Yesterday, customer ID is what exactly, sir? Floating. But now we converted into integer. That's point you need to understand. Let me give a small recap actually. Is it fine? Yeah. Let me give a small recap. What exactly we are doing. First, go back and get running notes. Okay. All right. Perfect. Here we are. Float to integer data type. Hmm. Yeah. Read everyone. importing the required libraries, loading the data set, number of rows and columns, accessing first 5 rows, blah, blah, blah. Next one, data cleaning, checking column, how to check, df dot dtypes. Next one, data frame information, method or function, checking missing value is in a, I need a column wise count. Perfect, sir. Missing value. So what operation we done over the missing value? Drop NA. Am I right? Yeah. How many columns having the missing value? Two columns. What is the first column? Description. Second column. Yeah. You have to remember. You have to remember these are all things. Based on team meeting, client discussion, will we need to perform accordingly, dropping the missing value. Data frame information. Go back. This we done, sir. It is clear, I guess. Missing value. This we already done. Data frame information. Check the type of customer ID. Here we are exactly. Are you ready? Hmm? Here we are. If you want, go back. I will give a small overview. What we done till now. Please focus. If anyone joined just now, we are restarting. The very first operation is we are importing the required libraries and loading the data set. We are loading the data set by using a read underscore CSV. Extra one keyword argument we are passing. What is that keyword argument name? Encoding equals to ISO, some standards. Next one, number of rows and columns. How to get it? Shape attribute. Attributor function. Yeah. Accessing first 5 rows. What method? Head method. Last 5 rows? Tail method. Columns? Columns attribute, right? Yeah. Getting all columns one by one by using for loop. Sir, here, this one, df dot columns dot two underscore list also work actually. We will get a all list of value. Not required. It is okay. Now the next one, getting all columns one by one. Renaming column names actually. We need to call a method name is called as a rename method. By using that, we can rename the name of the columns. After changing the column names, we are checking. Let's check initial data. First 5 rows, data cleaning operation. Checking the column types, D types operation and information. From this, we will understand how many total rows would you have. You know what? From here, we can find out how many missing values would you have, sir. Am I right? Description column and customer ID. How many missing values would you have? Checking the missing values for each column. Is null or is NA. It returns what kind of value? Boolean value. But I don't want Boolean values. I need a column wise count. I need what exactly? Column wise count. Yeah. Then some we need to apply. We are applying some actually. Anyway, it shows good result only. But let us keep something like order, either ascending or descending, including the numbers. Sort underscore values, ascending equals to false. Checking the type of invoice underscore date column. Yeah. Invoice underscore date. What is the data type? Object. With what we need to convert? Date, time. Yeah, nice. We are converting to underscore date time. We are using a kind of some function. Function name is called as a to underscore date time. And here we are using format equals to so and so keyword argument we are using, right? Yeah, we done these are all. Let us check description column. Can somebody talk with me? Description column is doing what exactly? Yeah, sorry, sir. Description column. Can I say this description column having the string data, which is having all uppercase? What exactly? We are converting into lower. Ensure that this step is important. Whenever you are calling this one, it is returning series. It is returning what exactly? Now inside series, there is no lower method. Where lower method is available, lower method is available in string. Otherwise, what we can do, series dot str you can call. Series dot what we can call? Str. Then it returns string methods object. What object? String methods object. Then you can call directly lower method. Come on. And this step indicates to, sir, previously we just perform an operation, but we didn't assign to the existing data frame column. Now here We are performing operation and at the same time we are assigning existing column operation actually. Am I right or not? Good. Missing values. Yeah, we came across missing value and a drop NA and we are assigning new object. What is the new object name? df underscore new. That's what we done yesterday till here. Now data frame information. Let's continue, sir. Customer ID also we done. Get ready. I will call this one time, then we can move on. Online team. Yeah, thank you. Let's move on, sir. Good. Now there is a method. Method name is called as a describe. Generally, whenever I'm speaking about this method, I used to skip many times actually. Skipping in the sense, Hare boss, would have a separate discussion during math. I can cover. In a math, there is a topic. Topic name is called as a 5 number summary. What is the topic name? 5 number summary. During that time, I told I will discuss actually. But keep in mind that here one point you need to understand. What is the point? Sir, here over the data frame, we are calling a method. Method name is called as a describe. What is the method name? Describe. Whenever you are calling describe method, just to please focus only one thing. What is that one? What is the minimum? What is this one? Minimum. What is this one actually? Quantity. Okay. See, can somebody tell me minimum value under quantity, is it positive or negative? Do some analysis. First of all, quantity. What is the quantity? Generally, I'm Amazon customer. Today, I ordered 10 items actually. How many items? What is order? What is the quantity? 10. Tomorrow, 10. What is the quantity? 10. Good. Keep in mind, quantity should be positive value, sir. Quantity should be what value? Positive value. But here, you are sensing some negative value. Now, here, on an average, minimum 1 or 2 days discussion with the client actually. Hello, boss. First of all, quantity on which scenario it goes negative. Best example, I am customer to Amazon. On which scenario that quantity goes to negative. For you, it might not happen actually. Am I right or not, sir? Let me explain small scenario. Now, this we are going to handle. That should be negative. That should be positive actually. But here, what we are getting negative means there is a quantity. That quantity having backend some negative value. What values? Negative value. Let me drink water. Yeah. Let me explain small scenario. Let us take a quantity. We are working on this column. Quantity column. We are trying to working on this column. Get ready. Generally quantity should be what exactly, sir? Positive value. What value? Positive value. But here you can see one small surprise. What is the surprise? We are seeing negative value. What value? Negative value. Let us understand how to handle this one. Let us understand what exactly how to handle this one. Let me explain small scenario, sir. What is the scenario? There is a one roommate actually when I was in Bangalore. His name is a Viru. He ordered one item. He is Amazon reputed customer. Amazon customer. He ordered one item. Assuming that headset he ordered actually. Headset he ordered on Monday. Good. Exactly this situation was happening in the year of 2016. Okay, good. If he ordered item from the Amazon, do let me know what is order value. Talk with me. Can I say order value is the one actually? Very good. Then when he ordered actually, tell me. Monday. Then what happened? On Monday, he used that. He started using that one, and Tuesday he came across small defect too. What exactly happened? Small. The product was damaged actually. Then the product was damaged. The advantage with buying online will be, what is advantage, sir? Yeah, yeah. I hope you are more experienced actually. You can return the item actually, or else you can replace the item. Then he called to customer care. See, think logically. In the era of when I'm talking, 2016, even Amazon was not that much, what I can say, not that much effective. Yeah, not that much popular. Then those days the process will be Viru call to customer care and given left and right. What left and right, boss, I'm a reputed customer. Almost to some 3 to 4 years, I'm a good customer actually. But how dare you? You guys are delivering defective product to me actually. Then the customer care people, they will always try to sort out the issue, sir. Then what that guys told, sir, please hold on. Immediately, I'm sending one new item. Then they send one item actually in the same day. Now think logically, same day means Tuesday. They send item. They send what exactly? Item actually. But what exactly happened, this item they didn't pick up actually. But nowadays the pattern will be, if you wanted to replace the product, what we need to do? Return the item, get the new product actually. Sir, those days it was not like that. This is the business strategies you need to understand. In the year of 2016, return person is different, replace person is different actually. Then according to this scenario, in terms of, I mean, he's already having the defect product. He's already having what product actually? New product. Now do let me know, please look at me. Viru, according to the quantity, how many items he is having actually? Two items, am I right? But according to the Amazon, Amazon backend, they will maintain the flag. That flag will be -1. Did you notice? Why -1, sir? Why -1? Why? Because he didn't return the product actually. Did you understand? There might be a scenario. This value they never displayed actually, but they will maintain backend flag. That flag will be, we delivered the item and we delivered one more item, but still we are in the state of -2, -1 actually. What is the value? Did you understand? Good. Now I have a one question. Get ready. You understand on which scenario it will be negative? I have a group of values. If you didn't understand, 1 minute. Let us just try to create 1, 2, 3. -4, -5, -6. Get ready, sir. 7, 8, 9. Now I just wanted to print only positive value. I just wanted to print what exactly? Only positive value. How to print? Any idea? Very good. Sir, these are all very basic level. You should know, right? Now let us just try to open new notepad. Yeah, for value in values. Then let me just try to print value. Now what is output you are going to get? All values. Good. Such a nice answer you are delivering, all values actually. This cold is pathetic, sir. Seriously. Yeah, let's just try to see. Now we are getting what exactly? All positive or negative values, right? We are getting all what exactly? Positive or negative. But my question will be, sir, I don't want to print negative value. I just wanted to print only positive value. How to print? Any idea? If, very good. If value less than 0, not less than, greater than 0. Am I right? Greater than 0. Then just try to come here. Print of what exactly? Now check the result actually. Seriously, very good. Seriously, very good. Did you understand? Now, same operation, get ready. We are going to apply over quantity column. What column? Keep in mind that quantity column having the negative value. Generally, during EDA works with the positive values only, but not negative values. And but not outliers actually. I will tell you what is an outlier. These are all stuff later actually. Now we are going to apply. Let us just try to filter negative values over this column. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. First of all, let us call this describe method. Let us call this describe method. Let me run this one. Yeah. We are getting this roll. Am I right? But after digit, how many values we are getting, sir? 6 digits we are getting. After digit, 6 digits we are getting. Hello, Daniel. Yeah. You may ask a question. What is the question? Quantity, unit price, customer ID. But here quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID. Sir, this project I have implemented with older Python version, pandas version, but nowadays it is working with invoice date also. We are getting one more extra column actually. What is the column name? date also, but we are not using this one in real time. It is okay, you can ignore. Let me tell you, describe method works with numbers, sir. Describe method works with what exactly? Numbers. Keep in mind that. Now, rounding the value. See, compared to the previously and currently, you can call one method. Method name is called as a round. Round of 2 means after dot actually, I just need 2 digits is more than enough. How many digits actually? 2 digits. Now take this one. You can run, sir. Yeah, you can please observe here actually. We are getting only, please focus only on quantity column actually. Team, are you ready? Good. Let's do some analysis. Conclusion is quantity column having negative values. So we need to remove or delete negative values. Example to delete negative values. Yeah. Here I'm explaining in such a way that we applied a kind of some logic actually. Get ready. Removing negative values from the quantity column. First of all, get the column df underscore new dot quantity greater than 0. Sir, whenever you are applying relational operator, what is the result? Boolean type. What is the result? But I don't want Boolean result. I need a kind of some result actually. Then what we can do, create a condition. Df of, you have to pass that condition. Now please observe here. What is the minimum value here actually? 1. Seriously, very good. Yeah, let us just try to apply this. Df underscore new. Df underscore new dot quantity. First of all, get that one. Yeah, it is okay. Now, greater than of 0. Boolean values we are getting. Create a condition. Then take this one. You can just try to provide here. Yeah, this is seriously very good actually. Now what exactly we are doing, df of, okay, we are reassigning, sir. Let us just try to take this one. We are reassigning actually. Did you understand what I done actually? This operation I have reassigned to this one actually. Now over this one, I'm informing you in such a way that the negative values dropped. Quantity negative values dropped actually. What is the confirmation? So talk with. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, describe method. Sir, we are going to close this project, but I will give good projects for Kaggle also. Keep in mind that. Yeah, exactly. So come here, dot round off. 2 you can apply. Then you can just try to see previously what is the negative value. Can I say on average 8,000 actually? 8,000 or 80,000? 80,000. But now what is the value? First of all, 80 or small number you can ignore. Positive or negative, that important. What is important? Positive or negative. Yeah. Move on to the next one. Access initial data. Come on, sir. We know these are all stuff since long actually. Head method. Good. Next one, checking total number. Wow, important. Sir, what is a old data frame object? A df dot shape you can call. What is a new data frame object? Df underscore new dot shape. Let us stop here sometime. Sir, initially we started with the data on an average 5 lakhs 41,000. How much actually? 5 lakhs 41,000. But in between, we done EDA operations. We done some processing logic, drop NA, handling the values, description, customer ID, not customer ID, missing values we drop it actually. Now from 5 lakhs 41,000 to what is the final data? 3 lakhs 97. This is the stable data actually. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, good. Thank you. Nice response. Chandu, we can still use comprehension also. I will accept your word. We can still use comprehension too. Yeah, there is a much interesting sir today. Let's move on. Adding column to the amount spent actually. Come on, sir. Now go back to the get this one. Head method you can call. Please observe here. Ah, country. Do you think there is a total amount actually? Do you think there is a total amount column? Now what exactly we are doing? We are trying to adding one column. Column name is a amount underscore spend. I hope you know this kind of example we already done from our session actually. Quantity into unit price. Quantity into what exactly? Are you ready? Can we do this? 1 minute. Can I take this one? Go back and add in a running node, sir, please. I forget actually. 21 operation. I would like to say 21 operation is this one. Sorry, sir. All right. Then we applied describe also. Move on to the next one. Checking the total number of rows and columns. Adding column. Adding column. What is the column name? Amount underscore spent. 22. Yeah. Please focus always at the last operation actually. Now move on to the next one. Did you run this one, sir? Okay. Let me run this one quickly. Yeah. Good. Please observe here. Amount spent. What are all columns? Quantity. Where is the quantity? This one. 6 into unit price. Where is unit price? 2.25. 6 into 2.5. What is the result, sir? Here itself we can run actually. Sorry, man. 6 into, come on, 2.55. What is the result? 15.292929. They made it round up actually. 29, they made it something like what exactly? 30. Good. Sounds good. Let's move on. Let's read the column names from the data frame. So we can read the column names from data frame, right? Very simple. Any change compared to the previous columns? You, sir, why I'm asking, it's not like don't be fun. You should know what we're doing. That's what. Recently, we added a column. That too, the column name is a amount spent. That too, when I added a column, more than 3 lakhs values assigned actually. That you need to please focus. How many lakhs value? 3 lakhs values actually. Move on. Rearranging the columns from the more readability. Now, look at this data frame. Invoice underscore number, invoice date, stock code, description, quantity, unit price. Maybe the client will give, I need order like this. Then we need to rearrange the column names. But currently, what is the existing order? Invoice number. Then invoice date somewhere else actual. Then client will give the order, I need this one. Then I hope you can do actually. You can create a list of all name of the columns actually. Yes, we are creating. And df underscore new of that list we are providing. Am I right or not, sir? Talk with me. Am I right or not? Yeah, good. Take this one. Sir, if you are interested, I will help you how to win one Kaggle competition actually. I'm very good in that. So please, these are all really important. I hope I already explained about the Kaggle competitions, right? Yeah. Sure, sure. I will definitely help you, sir. One competition, life settled actually. They will give huge price, sir. Huge price actually. You can't believe. I'm not sure either I should or not. I'm sorry with my voice today, but I'm trying my best. AI competitions, ML contest. Sir, there is a one competition, seriously. Here. Uh, yeah, these are all, it is okay. $15,000, $15,000, $3,000, $25,000. But there is a $1 which is tempting value, sir. Man, what is this value actually? Prize money, sir. Very bigger value. That too, what is the date, time date submission, 24. It should be 25. Maybe they changed it or what? Oh, start in 2023, 2024. It is okay. Decent time only. Means, if you really wanted to get these kind of competitions, means first of all, existing competitions we need to understand. What do you mean by existing competitions? Let me open Kaggle. This is the Kaggle, and here already implemented competitions would you have? What is that one? Implemented already the worked competitions would you have? You need to walk through how this competition work actually. They will share the some code also. This is seriously amazing, sir. So 1 lakh, one more than 1 lakh, $1 lakh actually. No, 1 minute. What I'm trying to telling is, sir, assuming that according to the Kaggle, there is a competition. Competition number is a 98th actually. What is the competition number? Means before that, how many competitions done already? 97 done. Now you should not attack directly 98, sir. Requesting. What you need to do is just try to understand. Just try to understand how 97 they implemented actually. Am I right or not? That's the best suggestion. Don't please focus on 98. Your target may be 99 or 100 actually, that is okay. But in between, they already done 97 competition. They will share the data set and they will share the code actually. If you're able to execute one by one, one by one, one by one, I'm sure you can crack the competition actually. That is the best practice. There is one student from Bangalore. He done actually. He is our student only, but I will help you. So please, EDA project, go to the Kaggle. If you are looking for more EDA project, go to the Kaggle, search here EDA. Something like you can search here EDA actually. Oh my God, do let me know how many examples you can see. Do you think 2000 actually? That too, let me search for only Python. Only Python 83, sir. 83,000 examples actually. 83,000 example. Seriously, very good. You will become master actually. You no need to work with 83,000. I can give on an average 10 to 20 is more than enough. You will understand how it is moving actually. So once after our project is done, here and there, I will take 2 to 3 projects and I will explain how to work actually. You yourself can pick the project and you can work actually. Guys, are you getting? Please focus. Yeah, let's move on to the discussion. Come on, please. Rearranging the columns from the more readability. Rearranging columns from more readability. That's what we are going to do the next operation. 24th. Hey, this is 23rd, sir. Previous operations we already done. Yeah, move on to the next one. Now take this one. Now we are taking, these are all name of the columns. What is the first one? Invoice underscore number, invoice underscore date, stock code. Last one is a country. We are creating a list actually. Yeah. Now, so df of new. Sir, this is, I hope you already worked actually. Good. Get ready. Columns dot to underscore list actually. Then it returns list of all column names. Did you understand? Columns dot what exactly? To underscore list means we are converting index to list. Whenever you are running this example, it will return only what exactly, sir? Index. It returns what exactly? But I need a list, Daniel. It's a very simple, sir. To underscore list like this we can apply. Okay. Can I get a response? Are you fine? Yeah. Let's move on. Access initial data. Df underscore new dot head method. You can just try to work on this one. Sir, amount spent where we added actually? Yeah, all right. We added here. Oh, yeah. We rearranged also. Number of rows and columns. We know. Let's do analysis on invoice underscore date. In the total project, this is the major operation. Please focus. And which is really interesting actually. Now, previously, we came across invoice underscore date is a object data type. What data type? Object data type. We already converted to which data type we converted actually? Date time. Am I right? Now we are playing with the data frame get ready. Get ready. Let's do analysis on invoice underscore date column. Number of columns. Why I'm stressing this one number of columns, many number of time, get ready. We are going to add many number of columns. On what basis we are adding? Get ready. Let's do analysis on invoice underscore date column. That is the next operation. Yeah. I just wanted to execute how many columns would you have? Df underscore new dot shape also you can call something like total how many columns? 9 columns. Are you ready? Accessing. Let us access this one, sir. This is the first way, and the second way is what exactly? Dot also you can use. If you want, you can access a single column, data frame name of square brackets, and in between this one we need to provide. Am I right? Come on, let us access this. Yeah, we are accessing. And the alternative approach also, this one. 1 minute. Accessing invoice underscore date column. Date column actual. Okay. Previous operations also we done. I hope you know how to access actually. Let me ask one simple question. Df underscore new dot. What is this one, sir? Invoice underscore date. Tell me what we will get actually. We will get, first of all, we will get invoice underscore date values actually. Am I right? Let me ask you one question. Please focus actually. Damn sure interview question. If you're coming to my panel, I will ask this question. Df underscore new dot shape actually. Can somebody talk with me? First of all, what is the shape here actually? Shape is attribute. And now you need to think logically one thing. What is the point? You think you need to think, sir. Once you created a data frame, keep in mind that all column names works like attributes. All column names works like what exactly? Am I right or not? But column names will bring the data. Column names will bring what exactly? The best example, df underscore new invoice underscore date. We are getting the data. Same thing like that, df underscore new dot shape, predefined attribute. Once you created a data frame, backend all name of the columns works like attributes. Works like what exactly? Attribute. Not much important, but you should focus how we are getting. These are all result actual. Guys, are you with me? Good. Let me talk with online team. Let's move on. Accessing year value. I hope you know how to access year value. So df underscore new, so and so name of the columns dot. This when I covered, any idea? Yeah, very good. Accessing year value from so and so this thing. Get access this one, sir. Now get ready. I need your help actually. Instead of copy paste, let me do. Here you need to provide name of the column. What is the name of the column? Invoice underscore date dot dt First of all, access this. Then dot dt, access this. Then it is written on object. Object name is a daytime properties. Dot year. What is that one, sir? Perfect. Total 3 lakhs year values we are capturing. On an average, less than 3,000, 4 lakhs values actual. Can I say that one? Same thing like that, we can access. Tell me, month value, we can access day value, hour value, seconds value. Now what we are planning, let us add. There are few columns we are going to add. Get ready. Accessing month value, we know. Do we need to run this one? Not required. We already know. Now get ready. Sir, keep in mind that uh, if I'm explaining basic example means get ready. The next example is you need to focus actually. It's a kind of some refreshment. Now let us just try to get, come here. You talk with me. Get ready. Invoice underscore date. What is the next column? Talk with me, sir. Stock code actually. Go back and in a result, hold on, hold on. Look at me. Look at me. Please focus. Let first understand the scenario. Then we can apply the operation. Sir, invoice underscore date. What is the next column? Read clearly. Year underscore month. One more time. Hold on. Now year underscore month means I need year is the first value, month is the second value. Here what is the year value? 2010. What is the month value? 12. Very good. Keep on like this. 2011 year value, and next one is what exactly? 12. This is what exactly? Month value actually. Hold on. First of all, let us take this. Let us spend some time here. Assuming that year value. Next one is month value. Next one is what exactly? Month value. Sir, important. Please focus. Month value is this one. It is okay. I'm expecting the result will be 201122. I'm expected result. Expected what exactly? Result. What is expected result? This one. What is expected result actually? Talk with me, sir. 2020. What exactly? First of all, year and month separate. I mean, side by side. Year value here actually, month value here actually. How to get it? Any idea? Think logically. Very good. Somebody is telling concatenation actually. But remember one thing. If it is a string, we can apply concatenation. But sorry, sir, it is not a string. Whenever you are capturing year, we will get a integer. We will get what exactly? Integer. Means from these two value, I just need this value. I just need what exactly? This value. It's a very simple. How to get it? Just to do one thing. Take this value. First of all, multiplied with 100. Multiplied with what exactly? 100. Then what is the result we are going to get? 201100. Am I right? Then for this one, add 12 value. What value? 12 value. Then what is the result, sir? 201112. Did you understand? Very simple. Now, hold on. Important, please focus. What exactly we are doing here, we are taking year value and month value, and we are getting one value. What is that value? Year and month side by side value. Am I right? You may ask a question, Daniel, why? You may ask a question, why you are doing this operation? Why I am doing this operation? Hold on. Year and month we do have here. I wanted to show you one thing, sir. Visualization I wanted to show you. Sorry, man. Sir, please observe here. Please observe here. 2010 December means 201012. What is this one? 2011 01. 2011 February 02. 2011 03. Means from the previous value, what are all values we are getting? Something like this. Now we will get this kind of visualization. We can draw this kind of visualization actually. I mean, this visualization helps you. Year and month. I just wanted to know last 1 year what is the biggest sales actually, and on which month there is a biggest sales number. You can understand. And which month lesser sales, sir? December actually. Why? Any reason? People are busy with celebrations, sir. Did you understand or not? Like a festival celebration in other countries, the Christmas is a very big festival. And what is the next second place actually? January may not much sales actually. What is the second place? First place is the November. Second place is the October. Next place September. Good, good. People are getting ready to buy the product. Means the data what we are preparing. Keep in mind that we are trying to using for the upcoming requirement. We are trying to using for what exactly? Upcoming requirement. Get ready. Get ready. We are going to do this one. You need to spend some time. Did you started project? Did you started executing? Otherwise, let me know. One day I will make it execute actually. I will. You come to session with laptop and you can execute it here itself. Yeah, this we already done. Sorry, rearranging columns. Let's do data analysis. I don't know, sir, with code what I'm doing. Yeah, till here we done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please focus. Let's insert year underscore month column actually in second position. What position? Second position. I hope you know how to insert actually. There is a method, that method name you need to use. What is that method name? Insert. Just try to say. First, what exactly we are doing, It's a very simple, sir. Let us create a name of the column. C1 equals to, I'm just trying to creating name of the column. Yeah. Just a variable I have created. C1. If you want, you can print this. Next one is, please focus. V1 equals to df underscore new invoice underscore date of, sir, here you need to spend some time actually. Inside this, can I ask a question? Whenever you are calling this one, what will get any idea? We'll get a series. We'll get what exactly? Series. Sir, inside series, there is a function, not function, sir. Method. Method name is a map. Map of lambda function, it works very well actually. I mean, what exactly we are doing is, as I told you, lambda in EDA we are working rather than in a Python actually. This function simple, sir. It will capture this column. And as I told you, I need to multiply this year value with what exactly? 100. And at the same time, I just wanted to add month value. I just wanted to add what exactly? Month value. Here, column means this name. Here, what exactly? Column means this name actually. So whenever you are running this one, in one shot, it will be operation done actually. You need to spend some time here. What is going on? Map of lambda column, I mean, COL, name of the variable, 100 into column dot year. 100 into what exactly? Column dot year plus column dot month actually. Star. Star indicates to run. Now, data frame dot insert of location to column equals to C1. C1, we are adding. Value equals to V1 operation. What operation? V1 operation. Let us run this one. Yeah, it's run. Seriously interesting, sir. Did you understand? But I know here you need to spend some time. What is going on, how it is working. Instead of column one, you can take the variable name as A, B, C, something like that. Are you getting your one? Yeah, let's move on. Now, insert is a method in a data frame. It takes few keyword arguments actually. LOC means location. And which location? Second position. I wanted to add it a second position actually. 0, 1, 2, something like that. Very simple. Done. If you understand this, the next operation will be adding month column to the existing data frame. What column? Month column. It's a very simple, sir. Now it's very simple. Take the month column and we are just trying to adding directly. And here, simple. From this year, we are taking the month and we are adding. We are taking the month and we are adding. You may ask a question, why? Later, I'm going to show you on which month more sales actually. To add that one, we need this column actually. To add that one, we need what exactly? This column. Let me give one small suggestion. If you execute this project in one time, sorry, you cannot understand, sir. My suggestion will be, if you execute this project in one time, Sorry, you cannot understand. Minimum 10 times you need to do. How many times? Then only you will understand. The two, this is the data science. This is what exactly? Data science. 10 times you can do. Very simple. One by one you can do actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, good. Let me just try to run this one actually. C2 equals to, I run this one. Again, I run this one actually. I hope you understand what exactly I'm doing. Now we are adding a column. Yeah, please observe here. Year and month I already added. Next one is what I have added, month I added, sir. Month I added actually. Go back. Let's access invoice underscore day. Cool. We can get day of the week actually. What we can get? Did you remember what is the day of the week actually? Now pandas always the countdown starts from Monday is as a 0 value and Sunday as a 6 value. But I don't want 0 to 6 notation. I need 1 to 7 notation. What notation? 1 to 7 notation. Then it's very simple. Get this one, and we are just trying to adding day. Which day actually? If you really done pandas practice, you will understand what I'm doing here actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, come on. Get this one, and you can run. Keep on, we are adding column. How many columns I added just now? Year underscore month. Next one is a month. Next one day. Perfect, sir. Adding our column also. We are trying to adding our column also. It's very simple. Let us just try to run. Yeah. Invoice date, year, month, day, and hour actually. Sir, now how many columns? Yeah, very good. Df dot, df underscore new dot shape. We can try actually. Yeah. How many columns actually? 13. But original data frame, how many columns? 8 actually. Now you need to think logically. Where are all columns added? Where are all columns added? You need to think actually. What is the first column we added? Very good. That you need to remember. Being a data scientist, what operations we done, we need to remember actually. Let's move on. Let's display all name of the columns. Do we need to display for column in df underscore new columns print of column? All right, like this, sir. You can check it out very easily. Exploratory data analysis. Here onwards, we are going to apply all group B operations. Let me give a small suggestion. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you following? Can I get a response? Keshua, almost near, almost similar actually. Srikanth, regarding LOC, we can discuss during machine learning. Let me give a small suggestion. Let me stop recording. Back to the session, sir. I mean, the course what you are learning is seriously beautiful and such a huge demand course actually. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, we are just trying to printing. These are all. Now, I would like to say we are going to perform few more operations actually. What are those operations? Group by operation. What operation? Group by operation. Look at my screen. This is the data frame. We are calling a method. Method name is called as a group by. What is the method name? Group by. And by is a keyword argument actually. And can I say a single column? What is that one? Single column. And what is this method? What is the method name? Count. You know what? With respect of customer ID, yes, left side it will come, and we are applying group by, then all other columns it will come actually. But I don't want this result. I will show you what exactly I'm looking for actually. Did you understand? Sir, if you run this code, this is the output we are going to get it. Let me run this. Did you started recording? Yeah, yeah. But I'm not looking for this much big data frame and this result actually. What is my result? What is expected result? I will show you. Hold on. But keep in mind that group by customer, what exactly? ID. Hold on. Group by customer ID, and next one is what exactly? Country. Compared to the previous operation and this operation, what I added, sir? Very good. Keep in mind that. Remember actually. Now you talk with me, sir. Important. This is the final operation. Group by customer ID, country. What is this one? Invoice underscore number. Now just try to come here. Now please spend some time here. What exactly I'm trying to explain, boss, in the given data based on customer ID, who are all from the different country, invoice number, do the group by. Do what exactly, sir? Group by. Customer ID, this is the customer ID. Country, this is the country. One means count. One means what exactly? The two invoice number count. Right. And can I ask a question? So and so customer, Iceland, how many products actually? 182. Keep in mind that. Next one, so and so customer ID, UK, how many? Did you understand the operation what you done? Come on, sir. Did you understand? Good. Let's move on to the next one. Now you talk with me. First, to what is the original data set size actually? 5 lakhs. Modified data set? 3 lakhs 97,000. Now what is the result? 4,337. You know what? Based on customer ID and country, invoice number, we applied group by. We applied what exactly? Group by actually. Come here. Next one. Now, hey, Daniel, we are getting kind of some series as a result actually. I don't want this one. I need a data frame result. What result? Very simple, sir. Just try to come here. As underscore index equals to false, you can give. Sir, this kind of example I executed in our session actually. Am I right or not? Yeah. Good. We are getting the data frame. We are getting what exactly? Data frame. I have a one question for you. Who are all understand? Who are all told we understand? We'll see. Either you understand or not actually. Can somebody talk with me? One means what exactly? Very good. Do you think here invoice underscore number is invoice underscore number actually? No. Keep in mind that this is the count. This is what exactly, sir? Whenever you are reframing this series result into data frame, this column name came here and it was added actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now this one, if you want, we can rename as a, what we can rename? Count actually. Come on, move on to the next operation. Yeah, we are just trying to accessing head method actually. Data visualization. Now please hold on. I just wanted to give small idea. Almost 90% is done. Please don't focus on don't focus on data visualization library, because the next the next sessions are data visualization operations only, data visualization topics actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Now here onwards, what is going on, please don't focus actually in a code level especially, but just you need to focus on visualization. What is going on in a, what kind of diagram we are going to see, that visualization you can focus actually. Are you getting? Good. Let me tell you. To do the data analysis, how we do have to do the data analysis, how would you have a library? What is a library name? Talk with me, sir. Same thing like that, data visualization also, we do have a libraries. That library name is called as a matplotlib. That is the first one. Second one is a cborn. Read your one. Matplotlib cborn. One more time. Yeah, these two are the libraries. By using these two, we can visualize the data. By using these two, we can visualize what exactly? Data. Hold on. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, simple, sir. We are just trying to assigning into one variable. What is that variable name? Order, sir. You understand, right? Yeah, good. Take this one. Sir, at any cost, we have to start today. If anyone is not started execute this project, you have to start. Top 5 most number of orders actually. Please focus. We do have a result. This result is I'm talking about what exactly, just try to come here. Now this is the result. From this one, I just wanted to access top 5 most number of orders actually. Then you need to apply one method. What is that method? Sort underscore value. I just wanted to sort by what exactly? Do you think that is invoice number? What is that one? Very good. You catch my point actually. Wow, seriously, Superman. There is a customer. What is a customer ID? 17,841. Talk with me. 17,841. He is from which country? UK. How many orders he ordered actually? Yeah, he might be merchant, a kind of he's getting the something like in Hyderabad itself, small shops, they will go to DMart actually. They will get the more items and they will start selling out actually. Am I right or not, sir? Same thing like that. He is the one customer. The top customer is from UK, second customer is from ARE, and third customer is again from UK actually. These are all seriously interesting, sir. Now please understand this one. This is one real time requirement. We came across so and so customer seriously ordered more items actually. Then so and so Amazon company or else e-commerce company can provide some discount. Boss seems to be you're ordering more items actually, you're having more money. Let us get a some small discount actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Move on to the next one. Visualizing. Please focus on here. Understand this diagram, sir. Please understand this diagram. This is called as a something like a, you can please focus, bar chart actually. On x-axis we are plotting customer ID. On y-axis we are plotting number of orders. Am I right? Now on an average the total orders will be 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs 97,000 actually. From the on an average 3 lakhs 97,000, finding the customer, top one customer is too difficult. But with visualization we can do very quickly actually. Yeah, on x-axis we are plotting customer ID, like starting the value is 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. Now I need your help actually. What is this order ID, customer ID? 17,841. Just try to observe here, sir. 17,841. I'm sure this is seriously very good. And how many orders actually? 7,847. If you want, you can touch this line. I'm sure that value will be matched actually. Now I would like to say one thing. This is raw data. What data? From the raw data, we are going to draw this kind of diagrams, which is literally helps you. Did you understand? Good. The top customers are lies here. Even the second place customers are lies here actually. I'm sorry, sir. What is the second customer? Do you think one triple eight actually? I will cry. What is the customer ID? 14,911. Yeah, 14,911 actually. Oh, sorry, man. 14,911 actually. Means on an average, I can say there are most major customers are 4. Am I right or not, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same information, if you wanted to get from this one, it takes a lot of time, sir. That's the beauty you need to understand actually. Are you getting or not? Yeah, good. This is called as a data visualization. Hey, Daniel, sorry, I didn't understand. It is okay. It is okay. You no need to understand. Why? Because we are going to work with this kind of graphs actually. Since your childhood, you might have worked with the graphs. Am I right? That we are going to draw. It's a very simple. Yeah. Do you want, can I run this code actually? Yeah, let me run. I hope first of all I need to run the libraries. Did I run these two lines? Huh? Let me run, sir. Every piece of the code is the executable code actually. Yeah, run. Now go back and get this one. Take this one. Ignore. Ignore what is this code actually. This is the data visualization code. Just try to see here. Seriously super, sir. Such a nice diagram. I would like to say the top customer is lies here actually. All right, let's move on. How much money spent by each customer? Now, what is the requirement? Do let me know how much money spent by each customer. One important interview question you need to understand, sir. What is the question? Let me tell you one small point. Let us take a Daniel. Daniel, I ordered, assuming that number of orders, money spent, money spent. How many items I ordered, sir? 10 items. How many items? 10 items. Each product cost will be 100 rupees. Each product cost will be what exactly? 100 rupees actually. Now, assuming that 100, I would like to say unit price actually. Unit price. Do let me know what is the total amount. Talk with me, sir. 1000. Very good. Let us take a Kusma madam, my wife actually. Only one product, sir. Only one unit price actually. Oh no, no. Unit price will be 97,000. What is the total cost actually? Do let me know who is a good customer to Amazon actually. Now the point will be what you need to understand. Sir, how many orders you ordered doesn't matter. Am I right or not, sir? How much money you spend that really matters actually. Conclusion of the story, you need to understand. Previously seems to be this customer count is more, orders count is more actually, but no guarantee. Either he may spend or not, we will validate actually. Now that's what we are going to see. How much money spent by each customer we are going to validate. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, customer ID, country only. And now we are going to apply group by customer ID, country, amount spent. What is the previous column? Somebody told invoice actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Take this one. Sir, you need to please focus. And it is very easy. Yeah. We are creating a data frame. Now we are applying. Yeah, we are just trying to assigning to one variable. Yes. Now we are trying to applying sort underscore value. Top 5 customers who spent more money. Get ready. Very interesting. Money underscore spend, sort underscore value. Can I stop session exactly at 6:50? Sort underscore value, amount spent actually. Now you do let me know, sir. Who spent more money? Do let me know. What is the customer ID? 14,000. Who ordered more items? More than 17,000. I mean, the customer ID is what exactly? 17,000, something like that actually. But who paid more money? Do let me know. Amount spent, how much amount sir? 2 lakh. Yeah, 2 lakhs 80,000. Do you think rupees actually? No, this is the UK data set. What is the currency? Euro, sir. USA currency is the dollar. This is the euro actually. More than dollar, the price will be. No, currently 51. Yeah, yeah, sir. But sir, need help in resume preparation. I will help you, sir. All right. Now let us. Did you understand what exactly I'm doing, sir? There are two major operations I apply. First of all, operation name is called as a group by. What we done, group by based on customer and count. How many products they ordered actually. That these two lines you need to spend some time to understand. If you didn't understand, do let me know. I will explain just for your better understanding only. I explain word by word, line by line actually. If I run this direct code, you may not understand. That's what, if you go back, if you see the template actually, line by line I have explained. Come here, first two time you will get this result, group by customer id, country, count. But I don't want these are all things, man. I need only based on invoice number actually. Yeah, invoice number. See, here count dot in between, if you are bringing one more column, the result will be like this actual. Exactly, did you understand? Good. We need to walk through top 5 customers also, top 5 customers who spend more money, number of orders, this one actually. But let us just try to plot who spent more money. Tomorrow the project will be closed within 10 to 15 minutes actually. I'm going to start immediately data visualization. Top 10 customers also you can get it. Visualizing money. Yeah, this person spent more money, sir. Who spent more money? This is the customer ID, and he spent more money. More money. Good. Run this one. You can ignore the understanding of this code. You can just try to run this one. Seriously, very good. On x-axis, we are plotting customer ID. On y-axis, we are plotting the money spent amount actually. You tell me, sir, which customer actually? Can I say in between 14,000 to 15,000, there is a customer actually? Am I right or not? Yeah. All right. Till here we done actually. Good. Number of orders for the different months. Sir, this one, let's continue tomorrow. But let me tell you, tomorrow total 1 cell. We are in 117 actually. What is the total cells? You know, it's very simple, sir. Why? Because this visualization we are simply ignoring actually as of now for the better understanding the topic. Tomorrow the project we are going to close within 10 to 15 minutes. Let me take the rest. I thought 6:50 only. For me, office is 4 days holiday. I mean, I kept leave actually, but I should not keep holiday for session, sir. That continuous really matter actually. What matters? Continuity really matters. Kindly, please, we have to start actually the project execution. No, Daniel, can you please assign one separate session? We'll bring our laptop, we'll execute here, and if any doubt, we'll help you. I'm ready for that one also. Which one is your interest? I'm ready for that one. Sir, you have to execute this project minimum 2 to 3 times. That literally helps you. Are you getting? All right. Can I close the session? Let me upload the running notes. Sorry, man. Let me just try to upload the running notes. And maybe tomorrow data visualization material I'm going to upload. Sir, till here, if you understand, that is fine. Tomorrow project discussion, frankly speaking, you no need to focus actually. Why? Because once we're done with the data visualization, then you will understand automatically. Take this one. All right. Anything is pending from my side? No, right? Yeah, please. We're done for today's session. Thank you. Before 5 minutes, I'm leaving actually. Once let me set right, and the session will be goes like anything actually. Is it fine? Thank you, sir. Thank you for understanding. We're done for today's session. Thank you.